Natatay ka pa rin ba at nasisira yung tiyan mo every time na magtitake ka ng creatine? Tapos ang hassle pa kasi magtitimpla ka pa sa gym. Ganyan din yung experience ko. But don't worry, I got you. Ito guys yung ginagamit ko na creatine gummies. Very convenient niya nang i-take dahil hindi mo na kailangan magtimpla. Hassle-free pa kasi ito lang yung dadalin mo, all set ka na. Creatine has helped me a lot when it comes to my fitness journey because it goes directly into the muscle and pump them with energy. It also helps you stay energized so you can work out longer. And guys, as you exercise, creatine converts to fuel, boosting your strength and endurance. It also aids in faster recovery. It helps reduce your muscle soreness and helps repair your muscles faster. Ang nagustuhan ko pa guys ay dahil orange flavor na siya. Yung amoy at lasa niya, pongkan na pongkan. Hindi rin siya sobrang tamis guys, pero mas gusto ko na to compared sa typical na lasa ng powdered creatine. Ito na yung sign mo para subukan itong creatine gummies. Sobrang sulit pa dahil yung isang bottle na to, 60 gummies na at good for 1 month na yan mga idol. Reminder lang guys that every time you're taking creatine supplement, mag-drink kayo ng plenty of water. Also, take regularly for best results. Kung gusto niyo itong subukan, available yung link dyan sa Yellow Basket. Oh, check out mo na!